Yo, what's up traders? Today is going to be a fun one. I get a lot of DMs asking how I trade, and I'm going to give you guys one of my trade setups, just one. It'll be good enough for now. Just one of my trade setups, and it's the breakout, okay? So a lot of traders out there trade breakouts. People specialize in just trading breakouts, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on a piece of paper or on this whiteboard. Let me grab it. I'll show you what a breakout trade looks like on this whiteboard right here, and then we will see if we can find some examples on these charts. All right, so a breakout, let's say we have a consolidation, right? I don't know if you could see this stupid ass whiteboard, but let's say we have price inside this consolidation, right? This is support, this is resistance, okay? We have price chopping in like this, ba 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 ba, and then whoa, it starts spiking, right? Maybe it doesn't spike like that, but once it breaks out of this, a lot of people get caught buying right here, right? Right when it breaks out, okay? And sometimes it'll just come right back in, even faster, okay? So what you want to do to protect yourself is not buy right when price breaks out of the consolidation zone. You don't want to buy right there because it could be a false breakout like we saw on the yen on Friday. Price broke out of this consolidation zone, and then what did it do? We waited for the pullback. We got the pullback, but price wasn't able to hold that level, and sellers actually came in and drove it back down. So that's why we need to wait for that pullback, okay? So when price breaks out of a consolidation zone, a choppy range or whatever you want to call it, you wait for price to break out, and then you want to wait for a pullback, okay? A pullback at that resistance, which is going to become support, okay? So when you do that, it gives you a safer entry, and you're not, gambling right here saying, hey, this thing is just going to keep skyrocketing, right? You're waiting for price to break out. The market's telling you that it's done trading in the zone, and it's moving out of the zone. Buyers are stepping in. What moves the market? What moves the market? A market moves when one party gets more aggressive, right? When buyers get more aggressive, you see something like this happening, right? Opposite for sellers. I can just, flip this shit. Oh my God, I just fucked up my desk. Don't buy a wood desk. But yeah, so I can just flip it upside down. Same shit with sellers. You don't want to be selling right there, right? You want to wait for that pullback, that retrace, get that better entry. It's going to be a safer entry, and it's, 9 times out of 10, it's going to be better than breaking, buying right here on that initial breakout, okay? So that's the breakout trade for you. I hope you guys learned something today, because I know this one trade, if you just trade breakouts like that, just one trade setup, just spot those, and just keep getting better at it, you could be a profitable trader. I 100% believe in it, that you could be 100%, you could trade just this one setup and be profitable, is what I'm trying to say. So we're gonna call this the breakout. This is the breakout trade, okay? And you want to wait for that pullback. Got it? I want to see you guys take these trades. Send me a screenshot. Let me know how it goes. So you saw what it looks like on the whiteboard. Now let's take a look at what it looks like on the chart, okay? So can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? Can you smell it? Because I know I can see it right freaking away. Bing, 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 bing. Okay? So you wait for the breakout, right? So let's take a step back, all right, Jay? So we're in this consolidation zone, okay? And we could say that, hey, why isn't this a breakout trade right here? Well, it kind of was. But as we got that pullback, we could see that support did not hold, all right? So realistically, what you want to do when price gets back to, the resistance level or whatever line in the sand that you're looking at, whenever it gets back down to there, you want to see price turn a little bit before you get that entry, because you don't want to be too early, because shit like this could happen and it'll just stop you out. All right, so fast forward, this is overnight session on Friday. This is like 3 a.m. on GBP JPY. So this is really recent. This is what, June 21st. Okay, so this is Friday at the open. All right, so at the open we still opened up into this at the open New York session, by the way. At the open we still chopping in between this zone, right? From 136,245, 135,915, right? So we're still chopping. Boom! We got the breakout right here, right above 136,245. We're patient now. We're waiting for a little pullback. We get the damn pullback. We get the pullback, and what did we see? We see a little hammer form, which is a nice reversal candlestick, and then we get a wick into that line in the sand, 136,245. And then what happens? The next 5-minute candle is green. Then the next one is actually still holding above this level. And, this is just a great entry right here. Great entry with targets being this prior value area, okay? So this is the breakout trade in, simple broken down for you, right? So this is it. Once you find a consolidation zone, a true consolidation zone, you too can take these breakout trades. All right. So I hope you guys enjoy and subscribe for more content just like this.